Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. If this is your first time finding my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. So y'all, it is time.
You know what time it is?
It is time to take out these dusty 2-week-old cornrows. I don't understand how they got so bad in 2 weeks, but yet again I do understand because I hadn't been sleeping with my scarf on every single night, and I'm sad to admit that. But
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Anyways, today it is time to take out these cornrows. So I have been only using rice water on these cornrows for the past 2 weeks, and we're going to see how much my hair has grown. So we're going to see what 2 weeks of rice water has done to my old cornrows. Let's go ahead and do a quick 360 view of these cornrows. Y'all can get a little gist of what's going on here. Honestly, y'all, they look really shiny compared to what they looked like, or what my hair looked like before I put these cornrows in. My hair looks really shiny compared to what it looked like before. I know it's not just me. I know I'm not tripping. This looks pretty shiny. My hair looks really shiny. Look at this. Look at that braid right there. That looks really shiny. And all I've been using, a few times I did put the aloe vera leave-in conditioner on my hair, but mostly I've just been using the rice water kit that I do have for sale down below. This is what I've been using on my hair. Let me go ahead and first quickly give y'all a rundown of what is going to come in this kit. So I did change the packaging. This is what the bottle is looking like now. So it is going to come with this rice water bottle. Dang, it is so bright. Okay, anyway, this is what the bottle looks like. So it is going to come with this 4-ounce bottle. This is what you're going to use when you put your rice water. Once you're finished steeping your rice water, you're going to put it in this bottle here. It is also going to come with a 1 milliliter dropper, and this dropper is going to have all of your oils and essential oils in it. So we do have eucalyptus oil. Oh, actually, let me read it off because it's a lot. Okay, it's going to be the organic rice, peppermint oil, peppermint leaves, lavender oil, dried lavender flowers, castor oil, lemongrass oil, and eucalyptus oil. So those are all of the oils that will be in here. Besides the lavender leaf, the peppermint leaf and lavender flowers, those will be inside your steep bag with your rice. And it'll also come with the golden funnel, and this funnel will be used to pretty much transport your rice water into your bottle. So you'll go ahead and put it like this, and you'll go ahead and pour the rice water into this bottle. And you can also pour the essential oils in here through here as well, or you can just drop them all in or just tilt it over, whatever's easiest for you. But we're making this as easy as possible, so we do have the gold funnel for you to transport it into your bottle. And once you have all of it mixed in together, you'll just shake it and use it to your discretion. I use it every day or every other day at least. You can use it however much you want, but if you want to see growth, I would say every day or every other day. And this is something that needs to be refrigerated, so definitely keep this refrigerated. You don't want this to, well, you can, if you want it to get fermented, you can, but if you're spraying it on your hair every day and you don't want your scalp to stink, I would put it in the refrigerator. That's what I do. So that's just me, but you can do it however, whatever feels comfortable for you. And that's the rice water that I've been using. So these results are based off of the rice water and all the ingredients that I have been using. And this is what the old packaging looks like, but the new packaging, this is what it looks like. I'll probably try to do a close-up so y'all can see more of what it looks like. But the point of this video is to take these braids down and see exactly what's going on with my hair. So let's go ahead and just show y'all what they're looking like right now. Alright, so honestly that's a lot of growth to me because it's only been 2 weeks. Like, wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this one out here, and let's see. Honestly, my hair feels pretty soft. It is still pretty moist because I did have a previous video of me doing I left it in my hair for 48 hours, and my hair feels pretty soft, and honestly it does look shinier. And honestly, we're not experiencing any type of tangles. They are coming out really easy. Usually it gets a little tricky trying to take out my braids and things like that, but they're coming right out, so that's cool. Just gonna unravel this. So how has y'all's day been going so far? Or how has y'all's week been going? Mine has been going pretty good. Woo, when I say my life has changed a lot, it has changed a lot. But we'll get into that on another video possibly. If y'all are interested in like life update type of videos, let me know, because we could definitely sit here and we could talk about some things. But I don't want this to be too much of a long drawn out video, because some people don't like long videos. I personally don't mind long videos. I know my videos are never like an hour long, but at most they'll be about like 30 minutes or so. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a few of these out, but I'm probably gonna pause it and come back to you guys once I do have all of the braids out, and then from there we could just go ahead and run through our length check and all that type of stuff. But so far, I want to be surprised. I don't even want to know how much. I don't want to do a length check yet until all of the braids are out. I want to be surprised. But honestly, this is a lot of growth, because y'all can see. Let me turn so y'all can see. Like, I know y'all see that. That's a lot for 2 weeks, in my opinion. I don't know. I can't speak for everybody, but I'm definitely going to be doing this again very soon. So I'm going to do a just like a quick wash day video after this, just to, you know, record how I wash my hair. My hair has been going through a lot. I did texturize it. A lot of you guys know, and if you haven't seen, or if you're new to my channel, I did texturize my hair probably about 2 months ago. And honestly, how I'm feeling after, here's the thing. After I texturized my hair was breaking off. So I do think I lost a good amount of length. I do truly believe I lost a good amount of length. I do think it was because of the texturizer, and I wasn't putting enough moisture in my hair. So yeah, and when I texturized it, my hair got damaged on the sides. So like this part, these two parts of my hair, they're straight, like they're completely straight, but the ends are still curly. They still have their texture, and in the back, I believe as well, the roots are straight, because I had somebody help me. But you know, I'm not even gonna blame anybody, but I'm gonna say it was mostly my fault for not doing it myself. But the way that the person was putting it in my hair, they was doing it like it was a perm. And y'all know, if you put a texturizer in your hair, you're not supposed to like stretch it out. But that's what was happening. But we ain't gonna say that. We ain't gonna say nothing else. We ain't gonna say nothing else. That's it. We gonna leave it at that. Anyway, yeah, my hair did experience a good amount of damage after my texturizer. So I'm actually at a point where I'm like, ooh, I was kind of on the fence. Like, yeah, I'm probably gonna texturize it again once it grows out. I'm just gonna be more careful this time. But I'm actually kind of feeling like, was it even worth it? Like, yeah, I can comb through my hair, and it's easier to comb through my hair, but was it worth it? Because my hair was shedding a lot, and it's a lot of damage. So I'm like, I probably just need to learn how to deal with my hair type, because I have 4A, 4B hair. So my hair is very tight, coily. Well, I don't know, because my hair actually doesn't even really curl up. It's not like a coil, it's more like a crinkle. But it's a really tight crinkle. And that's just my natural hair texture is like that. But I do know for a fact it is 4A, 4B. There is no 3C in my hair at all. It is type 4 hair, die hard type 4 hair, and that's just that. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these braids out. I'm on the fence about if I'm ever going to texturize it again. Right now I'm leaning more towards no. Although it's really hard to manage my hair. I think I just need to put a little more time and energy into learning my hair type and learning what works for me. But yeah, we're just going to take this out. So I'm probably gonna do, this is gonna be the last one I do, and then I'm gonna just come back to you guys once I have taken out all of these braids. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished with this half of my head, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and took out all of the braids, and this is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, after that texturizer, I did lose a lot of length. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We can compare it to an older video of mine and see like how much different my fro looks. But don't worry, we're on a journey back to healthy, longer hair. So we're gonna go ahead and do this length check, and we're just gonna go and start from here of how long my hair is at this point. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so my hair is about here. Well, it's not like too short, but I can totally tell that it's definitely thinner than before. So this is where we're at. Let's go ahead and do the side. Well, the front part, top side, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Let's do this part. I don't know, but to me, my hair definitely does feel, it feels a lot shorter. This is the side. Okay, let's do the top. Let's get a quick fro shot. My fro, it just, I don't know, it feels just short. Alright, so that is pretty much what my hair looks like right now with me taking out these braids. So I did go ahead and do the length check, and I did let you guys know that I am going to go ahead and do a wash routine, a nice deep condition, and then put some cornrows back into my hair. But since now that we do have the length check from now, what we can do is go ahead and compare it when I do reapply or reinstall, however you want to say it. When I do put the cornrows back into my hair and then I take them out, we'll be able to see exactly how much my hair grew in the 2-week or 1-month time span. So yeah, we got the length check. This is what my hair is looking like. It definitely, I think I'm in need of a deep condition. I just want to put a little bit more moisture back into my hair before I go ahead and apply those cornrows back into my hair. So this is it. This was this video. Honestly, I can't really, I don't know if my hair grew. Well, I know it grew, but I didn't do a length check before I put them in. But we can see at least where my hair is now, and I do know for sure that it did grow. So with my next video that I do when I'm taking out my cornrows, we'll be able to see exactly how much my hair grew. So that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.